So I'm just here creating a shade, my own lipstick shade, using the Pixi kit. Anyways, what do you guys think? It looks more browny on the camera, but here it's more mauve. So here's what it looks like dry. I don't want to add any more colors to it because I actually like this. So I do want to experiment more, and I'm just going to use the lids and mix them up in here. Alright, so I just created my second shade. This is way too much fun. I wish there was more. I could do this all day. So the second shade is this wet one right here. Love it. And I'm going to create a third one. What do you think? Alright, so third shade. Oops, dropped my spatula there and I wiped it. Made it worse. What are you going to do? So this is my third shade. I just took this and added more yellow. So this is what the third shade looks like. It's like my skin tone, so it's nude. Oh, come on, focus. It's so pretty though. I wish there was more. I would use it every day. And here's my fourth shade, which is like a bombshell pink. Seriously, I should just start my own line. Look at how amazing these look. Which one is your favorite? I'm going to do a couple more because the fifth one I created is kind of like the fourth one. So the fourth one is on top, the fifth one is the one in the bottom. They look the same, but they're not. I ran out of yellow, unfortunately, and it would have looked a lot more nude, so it's this one right here. So this is my sixth shade, just basically a blend of my leftover red and brown. So it's a nice, bold, warm brown color. That is the pot. Whoopsie. Pot right there. So this is the situation right now. I'm getting it all over this desk, but there's my arm, there's my hands. Gotta clean it